So here is a neat, cheap little trick. I've been doing this for years. Don't worry about expensive car wheel cleaning products. Get yourself a little tin of oven cleaner, Mr. Muscle, etc. Spray it on, leave it for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then you just wash it down. You don't need to get in there with a brush and work the Mr. Muscle into it. Actually, it can irritate your fingers. But once you've left it on there a little while, all you need to do is get yourself a nice little soapy sponge. It will wipe off like butter because all of the hard work's done, and the brake dust, then you just hose it away and they come up absolutely gleaming. Likewise at the back here, this has been soaking for a few minutes whilst I clean the front. A little bit of a sponge down and a hose, and look at how they gleam in the sun, especially with that deep dish. The cost of these sprays are so cheap compared to the ones that you buy for the dedicated alloy wheel cleaning. I wouldn't waste your money. Just get yourself a nice cheap little bit of oven cleaner and you got yourself some lovely clean wheels for the summer. Enjoy.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.